At Kohler Marine, we choose tomorrow and all that it commands. Power, innovation, revolution. We choose to make your life easier, your job better, and your wallet heavier. Because we choose the future, and this is what it looks like. Introducing the new Kohler Decision Maker 3500 Marine Paralleling System. State-of-the-art, simple to install, easy on your bottom line. It's everything you expect from Kohler. At the core of this system is our Decision Maker 3500 paralleling controller. It allows you to parallel 2 or more generators with a single communication wire. No switchgear, no added cost. It's that simple. So let's take a look at how it works. First, we'll manually start and load generator number 1. Once it's up and running, we'll gradually add load. As you can see, it easily picks up the load, no problem. Now we'll shed load on Gen 1. Notice how it stops automatically when the load is removed. So we've seen how the Decision Maker 3500 manages load on one generator. Now, let's take a look at how it manages load with 2 gen sets operating in parallel. You'll notice that single gray wire I mentioned earlier? Thanks to Kohler, that's the only connection you'll need to make to parallel 2 generators. And that, my friends, is what we call a game changer. Now, the real fun begins. Let's start generator 1 and load her up. As the load increases, the system automatically senses when to start generator 2. Watch the accumulator. You can actually see the load slowly adding and the controller transferring the load to generator 2. Now, let's gradually shed that load and see what happens. Generator 2 is losing its load, and there you can see the power transfer back to generator 1. All the while, the frequency and voltage barely move. Look at how steady that is. Okay, we just demonstrated gradual load add and load shed. Now, let's see how the Decision Maker 3500 paralleling system responds when one generator is running and we add a massive 110% load. Look at that. As you can see, generator 2 starts immediately and shares the load with Gen 1. You gotta love 2 generators that play nice together. Now, let's see what happens when we remove that same load. Beautiful. Generator 2 automatically sheds the load and shuts down. Just think of all that cash you'll save on fuel and maintenance costs. Bottom line, it just doesn't get any better than that. This is paralleling as it should be. Easy to install, easy to operate, easy on your wallet. It's the future, and it's only from Kohler.